Hello and welcome, tech enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. We are excited to introduce Unbox Trends with Umer, a brand new segment where we explore cutting edge trends, fascinating topics, and the stories that shape our world. It's an expansion of our commitment to keeping you informed, entertained, and inspired. Now, let's dive into today's captivating topic. We are taking a closer look at the Qosh Tepa Canal in Afghanistan. This ambitious project is making waves as it strives to become Asia's largest artificial river. The canal, stretching a remarkable 285 kilometers, aims to divert water from the Amu Darya river to transform arid northern plains into fertile farmland, potentially impacting millions of lives by providing a vital water source. Stay tuned as we explore the vision, challenges, and potential impact of this extraordinary project on Afghanistan's future. We will uncover the details, controversies, and the significance of the Qosh Tepa Canal. So let's get started. The Qosh Tepa Canal is an ambitious infrastructure project underway in Afghanistan with the goal of constructing Asia's largest artificial river. This artificial waterway spans an impressive 285 kilometers in length, 152 meters in width, and 8.5 meters in depth. It has a primary purpose of diverting water from the Amu Darya river to the northern plains of Afghanistan. It is starting from Kaldar district of Balkh province and ending to Adhoy district of Faryab province. This project holds the promise of converting 550,000 hectares of vast desert expanses into fertile farmland, potentially impacting millions of lives by providing a vital source of water. The estimated cost of the Qosh Tepa Canal is approximately $680 million. Construction effort commenced in early 2022, and as of October 2023, more than half of canal have already been excavated. The anticipated completion date for the entire project is set for 2028. Work on canal will be completed in three phases. Almost 200 local companies are working as subcontractors under the supervision of Afghanistan National Development Corporation. The Qosh Tepa Canal will be a technologically advanced waterway. Around 6,000 workers are operating in the excavators and heavy-duty trucks round the clock. It is a project without the foreign funding, so at first phase, funds are provided by the government, and for the next two phases, funds will be arranged by selling the mines, specifically the Tarish Sof mine. Additionally, to save the cost, the canal bed has not been sealed with cement. A network of irrigation canals and ditches will also be established to distribute water to farms and villages, maximizing its agricultural potential. The Qosh Tepa Canal project has not been without controversies and concerns. The division of the Amu Darya water among the four ex-USSR republics of Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan was established under a formal regime during the Soviet period. These agreements, however, were internal to the USSR and did not take into account Afghanistan's interest in the matter. The Taliban government argued that Afghanistan possessed a generic right to utilize the waters of Amu Darya, regardless of the absence of a formal agreement. Some experts have raised environmental alarms, arguing that diverting water from the Amu Darya river could disrupt its natural flow and negatively impact downstream communities. Others question the feasibility of such a massive project, given Afghanistan's historical challenges related to limited resources and political instability. Despite these concerns, the Taliban government has made the Qosh Tepa Canal a priority project. They believe it is vital for Afghanistan's economic development and food security. Importantly, they assert that environmentally friendly methods will be employed in the canal's construction. If successfully completed, the Qosh Tepa Canal has the potential to be a game changer for Afghanistan. It could alleviate poverty, hunger, and displacement by providing a consistent water source for agriculture, industry, and human consumption. This project represents not only an engineering marvel but also a testament to the resilience of the Afghan people. The Qosh Tepa Canal is a massive and transformative project in Afghanistan, aiming to create Asia's largest artificial river. While it faces challenges and controversy, its potential benefits in terms of economic development and food security for the country are substantial. Monitoring the project's progress and ensuring its sustainable implementation will be crucial as Afghanistan works toward achieving this ambitious infrastructure goal. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing journey to the Qosh Tepa Canal in Afghanistan. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and become a part of our growing community. Until next time, this is Unbox Trends with Umer signing off. Have a great day.